Hello guys, today I'm going to solve the Rubik's Cube. So as you can see, it is already scrambled. So let's see if we can actually make the Rubik's Cube. The Rubik's Cube is this, you can see, and this is not any big or small Rubik's Cube. It's just a normal 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Not to be confused with the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. Yeah, it's the second most popular after the normal 3x3 and they look very similar. Whatever, but let's start. So let's see the first layer. Okay, to do this, now I have to go this, here. This part is done. Now here. Now where should I do? There. And now let's see, this part goes here, here. Doing it very fast. Oh no, not this part. This, yes. There. This one, this. We're close to ending of the first layer. We're doing it great. Let's see if we can do it. Okay, this part goes here, and here, then there, here, and we have to do this one, and this one, and here, actually here, now here, this. Yeah, we done the first layer. Time for the second layer. Okay, it's much more difficult. Okay, this is going good. Now what? Yeah, the green one here. Yes, here. Done. Now this one here, done. Here, done. Now the second layer is done. Now we're starting the third layer. It's easy, medium. It's medium for me, so I can handle it. Pretty much I can handle it. Yeah, this one is done. Now we have to do. Yeah, here. So do this, and this. Okay. Let's start again. So this, and this, and we have to do this, then this, and finally this. Yes, the third layer completed. Oh, that was not long. So where was it? Oh, okay. We have to start it. The fourth layer. Oh, nothing done so far. Oh, yeah. This one is done. Yeah. Now we have to do here. Yes. Not done yet. Now here. Now the fourth layer is completed. Now we are for the final layer. Can we complete the Rubik's Cube? This is the fifth layer. So we are beginning. So start. Here, and here, and we do here, and here, almost ending. Here, here. We done the Rubik's Cube. Yes! And there you can see that it's completely full. Can you see anything wrong? It's all done. Not even a single pixel is left. So thank you if you like the video, and like and subscribe, and don't forget to share. Okay, bye bye, take care.